Ella going on train. In night mail train. Sure, let me take you on a virtual journey to a beautiful town in Sri Lanka known for its stunning train views. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the picturesque scenery. As you arrive in you'll be surrounded by lush green tea plantations, mist-covered mountains, and cascading waterfalls. The train journey from Ella provides some of the most breathtaking views in Sri Lanka, so let's hop on the train and begin our adventure. Boarding the train at Ella railway station, you find a comfortable seat by the window. As the train departs, you immediately notice the stunning landscapes unfolding before your eyes. The railway track winds its way through rolling hills, offering panoramic vistas of tea estates, terraced fields, and dense forests. As the train chugs along, you pass those several iconic spots. One of the highlights is the Nine-Arch Bridge, a magnificent bridge nestled amidst the verdant tea plantations. The train slowly makes its way across the bridge, giving you ample time to admire the arches and the breathtaking view below. Continuing on, you enter the Damodara Loop, a remarkable railway loop that allows the train to navigate a steep gradient. As the train maneuvers its way around the loop, you can witness the stunning engineering feat and enjoy the sweeping views of the surrounding hills and valleys. The journey continues, and you pass by charming villages, where you catch glimpses of locals going about their daily lives. The train's rhythmic motion and the gentle clickety-clack of the tracks create a soothing ambience. As the train reaches higher altitudes, you may feel a slight drop in temperature. The cool mountain air refreshes your senses, and you can see mist rolling over the hills, creating an ethereal atmosphere. After enjoying the captivating train ride, you arrive back in Ella, feeling invigorated and inspired by the natural beauty you've witnessed. Ella is a charming town with a relaxed vibe, so take some time to explore the local shops, indulge in delicious Sri Lankan cuisine, or hike to popular viewpoints like Little Adams Peak or Ella Rock. Thank you for watching my first editable video, and subscribe my channel.